Hi, welcome to Next Day Solar. We're here in Slough, and this project is very interesting because it already has an existing system fitted in this property on the other side facing north. And what we're going to do today is we're going to add a 5 kilowatt system to that already existing one. So we are going to install on this roof 10 panels, 505 watt Trina solar. And we're not going to touch the existing system, so we're just going to add 5 kilowatt with a hybrid inverter, and it will be two separate generations from those two separate systems. So we are going to be using actually a 5 kilowatt Solis inverter hybrid. Also we have here two Pylon-Tech batteries and 4.8 kilowatt each. So let's get into it. So on the electrical side of the project is nothing new, we just added a new system. But on the DNO side of the project, since we are exceeding the 3.68 kilowatt, we had to ask for a DNO approval for the 5 kilowatt system that we're installing on the back. We are going to run the cables from all the way up and then down on that wall. And as you can see here, Arik has laid out the cabling trunking. And we're going to enter from that wall through the house. So we finished all the electrical work. Here we have the main board for the solar, and you have here the main PV isolator with a surge protection device and the energy meter for the batteries and the inverter. And then you have here the surge protection device for the DC side. We have the isolators for the batteries, and the batteries combined are 9.6 kilowatt. And here we have the inverter of 5 kilowatt, and I can see here that the batteries are feeding 660 watt to the house. So the job hasn't been completed yet because today it takes a bit longer to work with this type of tiles, and we're going to be back tomorrow and fit the panels on this roof. Good morning, this is the second day of our project. We're about to finish fitting the brackets, and now we're going to start putting the panels up. For fitting the panels, we need to actually test them and see if they are actually in good condition. And once we do that, we're going to fit the panels one by one. Connected. So we've reached the end of this project, and we've installed here 10 panels. And maximum output will be 5 kilowatt system. So the main reason of this video was to actually show you that you can actually have an existing system and also install a new one, and they won't be connected directly to each other, but they will be working together, as we can see here on this video. And if you would like to have something like this, you can always call us or come to our live chat. Thank you very much for watching the video, and see you on the next one.